What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are on to Broly for our next character workout. Since we're taking on training like the legendary Super Saiyan, we'll need to incorporate a little bit less calisthenics and a little bit more weights to try to replicate his strength. This is going to be a 5-round circuit consisting of 10 barbell rows, 15 standing dumbbell flies, 12 wide grip pull-ups, 20 windmills, and 15 clap push-ups. I hope you guys give this workout a shot. Let me know what you think. Before we get started, please like and subscribe. Here we go. What's up guys, just finished up that circuit. It went really well for me. I think all the reps and the amount of weight I used was really good for me. Of course you could adjust the weight accordingly to you, and if you have to do some regular push-ups or instead of pull-ups you could do pike push-ups, that is fine. For the rest of the movements, just adjust the weight to your liking. I hope you guys give this a shot. Let me know what you think, and please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.
Hey guys, I love pepperoni, and if you subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and check out the links below, I'll get to eat more pepperoni, like, cause I'm a puppy, and I love pepperoni. Please, get me more pepperoni, I just need it. Oh yes, pepperoni's so good. Please subscribe and like.